What does a spider taste like?
Spider taste look like the let's bet peanut.
ปีមុនបានវិសាខ្ញុំទៅទូនបារាំង
I was born in Kampong Cham province with my family is in small town. And I learned cooking with my mom every day when I was 12 years old.
Hey, nice to see you. Good to see you.
First, we go to market to buy everything. Then we come back to home. The color. Clean fish, clean meat, clean vegetable.
What I believe is when I try to the fan of the Yes.
All my guests, they taste my food, they are feel very happy, good. I have very, very happy.
No, thank you for you. Hey, anh ấy nhom quan mất nào đi. Anh ấy cắt quay ra. Em đi đi, em rồi đấy đi bật. Bay đại. Kệ đó.